Now, it's no secret that for the modeler looking for lighting for a diorama or a layout build, there are plenty of options on the market that can cater for the different tastes and eras modelled. And we've just been sent a selection through here from Legacy Models in association with DCC Concepts, and the selection and variety for the modeler has grown further still. So we're going to take a look at them now in this quick view video, starting from the left with what I can only say is one of the best creations I think I've seen and depictions of a flat panel LED array style light, as seen now often around stations and many houses actually. Roadside, many of the old sodium style lamps have been replaced with these flat panel LEDs, some of which are controlled by little sensors on the top, and switch them on and off accordingly. So this little pack here contains 6 lights. You've got the cable, which is enamelled, so although it looks like it's just bare wire, these are enamelled and therefore insulated. The longer of the two terminals is the positive, and that is just connected up to one of the resistor boards which is supplied in the pack. I have some here. So you connect your power supply to the positive and negative terminals there. So there we go, positive LED, negative that side, and then you've got different resistors to choose from depending on how bright or dark you want the light to shine on your layout. Alternatively, of course, you could crank up or lower the voltage coming out of your controller a little, but if you've got a fixed power outlet from a wall, for example, through a transformer, and you can't change that voltage, then using these resistors is a quick way around that. Moving to the right, we have a nice arced lamp, lantern even, with 2 which can be affixed to buildings. Now, DCC Concepts recommends drilling a 2mm diameter hole through the bottom of your platform or whatever it is you're installing the lights to be able to pass the wires through, and the same would apply obviously for the sides of your building. These can then simply be glued in place and the cabling run down inside through the building. Again, we've got the resistor pack, and with this one we've actually got some little brass tube which can be installed to the underside of the lights here and act as a little spigot through your baseboard. Putting that back into place, we'll move on to the next one, and these are square lanterns. Again, you can see the LEDs in there, very neatly disguised. When viewed from normal angles, you won't see those LEDs at all, so you'll get this natural lighting pattern. And again, depending on the era, these have been selected to be warm white or cool white appropriately. So you will get a realistic lighting pattern and pool of light on your layout. There you go. First look at the Legacy Models in association with DCC Concepts lighting range here on World of Railways.